Have you ever wondered if your boss could be a bot one day? As intriguing as it may sound, this is not a far-fetched idea in our tech-driven world. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is swiftly infiltrating our workplaces. It's not just about automated emails anymore. AI is now involved in hiring processes, performance evaluations, project management, and even data analysis. Take IBM as an example. They're utilizing their AI system, Watson, to dive deep into data analysis. Or consider Unilever. They're harnessing the power of AI in their hiring process, streamlining recruitment like never before. AI is reshaping the dynamics of our offices, and its influence is only set to grow. But with this growth comes a question that we need to ask ourselves. Is this technological revolution a boon or a bane? Will it enhance our productivity, or will it render us obsolete? The question is, will AI be a revolution or a threat in the workplace? AI, a double-edged sword, beneficial yet challenging. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is already making waves in the workplace. Take Amazon, for instance. They've harnessed the power of AI for performance evaluation, creating a more efficient and objective system. But it's not without its controversies. Some argue this approach devalues human judgment and can lead to unfair outcomes. It's an ethical dilemma that we'll continue to grapple with as AI becomes more prevalent. But let's not forget, AI also presents immense opportunities. It can handle tasks efficiently, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex and creative jobs. However, this does require us to adapt and evolve. Upskilling and reskilling become crucial to meet the changing job requirements in the age of AI. So we see AI as a catalyst for change, a tool that can help us achieve more, but also a challenge that forces us to rethink our roles and responsibilities. The balance between humans and AI in the workplace is a delicate one.
So, what does the future hold for us in the world of work? Well, it's not about humans versus AI, it's about humans with AI. The future of work is collaboration, not competition. Let's consider Salesforce's AI system, Einstein. Rather than replacing sales reps, Einstein assists them, making their tasks more manageable and efficient. It's a perfect example of how AI can be a tool, not a threat. In this new era, we'll see more of such human-AI partnerships, enhancing productivity and creating a more fulfilling work environment. With AI handling routine tasks, humans can focus on strategic thinking, creativity, and interpersonal skills, areas where we truly shine. To recap, AI brings both opportunities and challenges to the workplace. It's reshaping job roles and office culture, but with the right approach, we can leverage it to our advantage. It's about harnessing the power of AI while valuing and developing human potential. In the end, it's not about humans versus AI. It's about humans with AI. The future of work is collaboration, not competition.